The National People's Party has become the second political party in Meghalaya's history to secure 32 seats in the 60-member Legislative Assembly, marking a significant milestone for the ruling party. This achievement follows the swearing-in of Dr. Mehtab Chandi A. Sangma, the NPP's candidate who won the Kambagre Assembly by-election. The first instance of such a majority occurred in 1972 when the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference APHLC secured 32 seats to form Meghalaya's inaugural government. Addressing the media, Chief Minister and NPP Supremo Conrad K. Sangma reiterated the NPP's commitment to the Meghalaya's Democratic Alliance coalition, emphasizing that there is no question of political realignment. Sangma highlighted the importance of stability and collaboration for the state's overall development.
Number by a political party has come, so we're very thankful, and we would like to thank God, and we'd like to thank the people for this confidence that they've shown on us. In spite of the fact that we have numbers, we are sticking with our partners. We have shown our confidence in them. They have shown their confidence in us. And we would like to see that we work in the long run for the stability of the state and overall economic growth of the state. And therefore, there's no question of any realignment or anything like that.
Chief Minister